guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're just passing through, welcome just the same. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to secure profits on your MT4 on your Android devices. There's a lot of times where in a trade we're in profit and then the trade decides to turn on us and we're taking out of profit and we tend to lose our money. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to secure your profit, meaning that when you're in profit and the trade decides to turn on you, you'll be taken out of the trade in profit. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that on your MetaTrader 4 and your Android devices, of course, because that's what I have. I don't have any iPhone or anything like that. So guys, this video is going to be as detailed as possible, so you don't want to miss this video. If you find my content interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything that I post. Drop a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, you're looking at the screen of my phone right now, and it's basically today is in September, a Monday the 28th. It's basically the same day as I did the other video. Anyways guys, so we want to know how to secure profits on our phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on my MetaTrader 4. I have a video showing how to download your and install MetaTrader 4 on your phone, and how to add the account that you're using from your broker. You to type in the MetaTrader ID, the server, and all of that. So go ahead and check out that video if you guys want to know how to do that. You want to click on your MetaTrader 4, and I'm taking in. Sorry about all these indicator guys. I have to take off some of the indicators, but if you're interested in how to you want to know how I got the indicator at the bottom or the one at the top that's on the screen, go ahead and hit that, drop that in the comments so I can do a video about that one if you guys are interested in to do that, if you don't know how to do that. Anyways guys, so here I'm had GBP USD and I'm 15 minutes, so let me try to zoom out so you guys can see. And up the top right here, where you see the 1.29460, that's where I have my take profit, and my trade is at the bottom where you see the green line running across, and at the top, at the bottom, extreme bottom, you see my stop loss right here where it says SL, stop loss, right? So let's go back over. So it's there, the stop loss, the buy. Let me see, you guys can see the stop loss, the buy. Now, how to secure profits on your phone. Now, basically, when you're securing your profits, it means like if the trade decides to turn on you and go the opposite direction, you'd be taken out of the trade, or you'd be, yeah, basically taken out of the trade in profit. And who doesn't want that? We all want to be taken out of a trade in profit, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click up top on this plus looking arrow, like plus sign right here. So I just click on that, and we're gonna go all the way over to where we decide we wanna come out of the trades. Now I'm actually using this where you see it's moving the white box with the numbers moving over to your right. I'm actually moving this to see where I'm gonna set my stop loss, because what we got to move guys is basically our stop loss. So just in case if the trade decide to turn off us, it hit our stop loss and basically take us out of the trade but in profit. So we're gonna go all the way here, and I'm gonna put my stop loss at where it said 1.28459. So that's 1.2, sorry, yeah, 1.28459. So let's go ahead and we're gonna click that. Oh, so let's click on our trade, and we're gonna click on We're gonna long press on our trade. That's how my phone works, and I'm using an Android. We're gonna click on modify order, and we're gonna put 1.28459 right where you see this red line, because that's where our stop loss is. And we're gonna click on modify for that, and we're gonna go back over, and there it is right there. And we're gonna do the same thing for the next one. Right, we're gonna modify the order. Let's backspace that. 1.28459, and we're gonna click on modify order, and we're gonna click on done. And then we're gonna go back over to where our trade is, and there it is. Both our stop loss, let me take this off, both our stop loss is basically at the same place now. So if the trade, let me zoom in, I'm zooming in, guys, let me go out a little bit. So if the trade decided to turn on us and go all the way back down into a sell, which we want the trade to continue going or buy until it hits our take profit, but if the trade decides to turn on us and go into a sell, it eventually go all the way right there, hit our stop loss, and then once it hits our stop loss, we'll be taken out of the trade, guys. And yeah, basically we'll be taken out of the trade with around, let me see, around 60 pips. I think that's right, around 60 pips, somewhere there about, yeah, 60 pips. So we'll be taking out of the trade in that, and we'll be taking out of the trade in profit as well. As you can see, it's a demo account before. Let me show you guys. Demo. It's not a real account because I do trade on my real account as well. But I took this trade last night on a demo account, which I wish I should have did it on my real account. But what the heck? We got to practice sometime, guys. 4 months. I'm not gonna be a professional. I'm learning. I'm making money, but I'm not making like that kind of money to talk about. So go ahead and let's see. It's going up. So we're at $1,059 on our demo account, and I built this demo account from all the way from, I think how much I deposit, $1,000, and I'm all the way at 32,000 demo money, and this was built within the space of 2 months time or 3 months, something like that. Anyways, so basically, guys, that's how you secure a profit on your cell phone. Let me zoom back out. I don't know why that just happened. Anyways, let me zoom back out. Too far. So that is it, guys. That's how you secure profits on your cell phone. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, like, and drop a comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.